Welcome to the SMG channel. We present a complete bar rolling production system with a clear structure and efficient, stable operation.
The reheating furnace is the starting point of the entire bar rolling line. It ensures uniform billet temperature, providing a solid foundation for efficient downstream rolling. The roughing mill plays a critical connecting role and serves as the first core stage for the efficient and stable transformation of billets into bars. The crank-type flying shear intervenes with precision to crop the head and tail, ensuring the quality of the billet ends. The billets enter the intermediate rolling mill, arranged in multiple continuous stands for high-efficiency rolling. The guiding roll ring system directs the bar billets, connecting the intermediate and finishing rolling mills. The finishing mill and vertical looper operate in coordination, ensuring better process control and higher system efficiency. The water box provides efficient cooling during rolling through a uniform and controllable spray system. The pinch rollers work in precise coordination with the flying shears, handling billet feeding and length cutting. The cooling bed is used for orderly cooling and conveying of rolled billets. The flying shear is used for online length cutting. The collection table and automatic bundler work together with automated recognition to achieve orderly collection and automatic bundling. Choose SMG. Live up to your trust.